Hey nerds, Jess here. In this video, I'm going to go over the workflow call spam filter. So this is a workflow that you can use in Go HighLevel, or if you're on the Lead Nerds platform, powered by Go HighLevel, so that when you set up your phone calls and things like that, and you get a lot of spams through that phone number, because sometimes, you're a business, it happens, you can't put your name on the do not call list and things like that. We want to filter those responses. So for now, this is not taking in AI to account that would hear your message and say oh, I need to press 1 so that I get to this person or whatever. This is just taking in the call drops and things like that, that when it hears a somebody talking over the phone, it just plays garble, so what we have here, if you want the actual the recipe for it, you're going to go to your workflows, templates, and then you're going to look up IVR, and then you can choose this template. And then this template has the bare bones built out, so that if you wanted multiple press 1, 2, 3 to go to different people, different kinds of agents and things like that, you can have all this set up in here. I'm going to focus on this really simple one where the phone number comes in, it plays them a welcome message, and then press 1 to talk to our team. So basically, if somebody calls, they just need to press 1 and they can go directly to an agent after that. So we have this filter so that when they press 1, they go to this option and they transfer to the agent. So, and if they don't, what's going to happen is they're just going to hang up. So I'm going to give the phone number of call so that you can hear what it would sound like, basically. Let's see if this works.
Hello, welcome to Patriot Payments. Press 1 to talk to our team.
So if I were to press 1, I would get Dylan, and he would answer the phone. But I'm just going to pretend that I'm a robocaller.
You have not entered a valid input. Please listen to the options again and make a valid selection. You have not selected a valid option. This call will now be disconnected.
All right, and then it just hangs up. So that was a less than 30-second phone call. So then that way you're not paying for any a lot of time on inbound calls, because some of these messages seem to be minutes long, and especially when you're getting 10 to 20 spam messages a day because maybe you put your number got on a lot of lists or something. You want to make sure that you narrow that down. So again, this is what the template one looks like, and then you can fill in it. You can fill it in with your information. But this is a very simple template. So you're just going to start with the IVR trigger. You're going to have a welcome message. You're going to collect the data information. So this is where you're going to tell them what numbers they need to press. You can also play a message, so you can upload a file, so then you can record yourself, hey, press 1 to talk to our team, instead of having that robo person, say the message instead. Otherwise, you can type whatever you want in here. You can use your dynamic tags and things like that, so that it puts that information in, and then it's going to map based on what they press. So if the digit is 1, so if you have multiple of these, you would add multiple branches. And then we only have 1 again, so they press 1 and it goes directly to the agent, and if they don't press anything, then it'll hang up on them. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helps you out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.